If you want to create AI wallpaper on Motorola Signature, first we're gonna go to settings. Now over here in settings we should be able to find personalize if you scroll down a little bit, and then in here tap on the lock screen, and then we should be able to go to the image studio. Now over here we need to press get started, and you need to actually use a Moto account, so we need to tap on unlock with Moto account if you are not signed in yet, and then you will have to sign in. Thankfully we can just use our Google account for that, so that's much easier and definitely convenient. There we go. Once we sign in, we should be able to choose create an image in here. Now here we have some instructions like how to use it, but essentially here we need to provide the description or the prompt. Let's tap on next over here to skip this. There we go. So let's tap on this field and then we can enter the prompt that is going to be used in order to create the wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna type something like a white cat in a space, something like that. Of course over here we can adjust the aspect ratio, so in my case I'm gonna choose portrait. Usually the portrait is the best one for wallpapers in this case, but of course feel free to try anything else. And let's actually hide the keyboard. We have different styles that we can use as well, so in this case let's say we're gonna go for the fantasy, why not? And now we can tap on a generate image. Over here we need to agree to the cloud permission to continue, and then tap again. We can also allow to send us notifications, and now we just have to wait for the image to be generated. After a couple of seconds we should be able to get our image generated, and of course we can tap on redo in case you are not really satisfied with the result. And as you can see we have 5 image credits left, so we can generate 5 images or 6 images at most. It seems like it before we need to wait for the refresh. And there we go, we have another example. So if you are happy with the result, and if you want to set it as a wallpaper, you can just simply tap on these 3 dots in the upper right corner and you can set as wallpaper. You can also just save the image on your phone in case you just want to do that. But in my case, I'm just going to actually set it as the wallpaper. As you can see, this is how it looks like. We have the preview. We can, of course, still adjust it. We can move it around in case you want to do so. And let's just tap on this check. There we go. Now let's tap set wallpaper. Of course, you can decide if the image should be saved on home screen or lock screen or both. And then we can tap on set. And there we go. We have an AI wallpaper. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.